In this Google Calendar tech tip, I'm going to show you how to create an event. So let's look at the calendar. So here I'm on my calendar. The easiest way to create an event is just to click anywhere on the calendar and it will set an event for that time. Now once we click it, we can start looking at the details. If we go into more options, we have even more options that we can edit. We can edit the date of the event by just clicking on any particular date. We can edit the time if you want more granularity. You can set any particular start time and any particular end time that you would like. You can even do odd times like 11:10 to, let's say, 12:55, February 16th. And we can also add a location. So this can be just your own location that you want to add as a notice to yourself or other guests. So I could put something like my office, just so everybody knows where this event is occurring. Or if you want, you can choose actual locations. And those will pop up from Google Maps as you type those addresses. So I could type the address for Sacramento, California, if I wanted to. Additionally, you can turn on notifications. These are notifications that'll pop up either on your computer or your phone if you have Google Calendar installed on your phone and notifications turned on. And you can change the color of the event. Additionally, you can add guests for this event by typing their email address into this location right here. Once you type in that email address and then save the event, they will be notified via an email and allowed to either confirm their attendance or deny their attendance or choose maybe if they think they might be able to attend. So I can type in somebody here. And press enter, and now that person's added. And here we can change the guest permissions, whether or not other guests are allowed to invite further guests to the same event, whether they're allowed to see the entire guest list of everybody that you've added to this event, or whether or not they're even allowed to modify the event. And so you can turn those on or off. Down here in the bottom, you can add descriptions, you can add documents, or anything else that might be relevant to the event. Once you have these settings chosen, then you can save that and you can choose to either send or not send. In this case, I'm going to click not to send. I don't want to bother these random people. Actually, I'm going to delete that person. There we go. Save. And then the event would appear. Of course, I set it for February 16th, so that's next week. And there the event is. You can always click on it and go back in and continue editing. So you can edit the event by pressing that little edit pencil, or you can delete, you can select to email all the guests, or there are additional options if you would like to change additional options. So that's been this quick tech tip for Google Calendar on how to create an event. Look for the other calendar tech tips in this playlist. Thank you.